Now that our video is complete, I need to export it. So to do that, I'm going to click on the export button over here. We've got some options. Give it a name. You can choose your resolution. 1080p is always better. Choose that one. Click on the advanced settings down here. You can set the frame rate. MP4 is the file format you want. That's all good. Click on export when you're happy with all of that. This can take a while, this process, so you just have to wait. Okay, our video is now ready to share, and you can see obviously it's designed to go to TikTok, but we need to download ours, so we're going to click on download and it will go to our downloads folder. So that's just going to download in my browser, and that's done. So I can close all this now. I can come back to here. Now, here's all my stuff. So on my space now, I need to clean up all these exported videos. I've exported those so I can clean up all my mess. I've got to manage all of my content and storage. So opening shot draft is now complete. I can delete this. So move to trash. Yep, confirm. And I'm going to move this one to trash because I've exported it now. Move to trash. And then finally over here we need to export and to finally delete all of this stuff. So it's not until you finally delete everything from trash that everything's gone, and this is how you're going to manage all of your 1 GB of storage.